JD Cap 26 here, just disappears in hobbies, and we've got a little skeleton here that we painted up orange for the pumpkin, and we've got some glue. It's a Weld on patch set number 16, clear, and we're gonna put some on his feet. Actually, a lot on his feet. Put that over there, and then put him on the base like that. Just put him down like that. And sometimes this stuff reacts quickly and it adheres to the material. And there he is, all done. He's a little Halloween guy I'm going to keep on my table in the living room. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. Please rate, subscribe, and give me the thumbs up. Much appreciated. It's free to watch YouTube. So keep watching and share. Bye for now.